I'm Bob Merlin. I am a collaborative family attorney. I represent people who are either getting divorced, have a paternity matter, or are entering into a prenuptial agreement without fighting in court and doing it in a peaceful, respectful way. Most people think that when they are getting divorced or if there's a paternity matter that they have to fight in court. That is not the case. Although many family attorneys promote themselves as being aggressive litigators and they're going to go after the other side, you do not have to handle your matter in that way. You do not have to have an attorney to have a paternity matter approved by the court or to get divorced. You can do it yourself. It may not be easy to do and you may not know what to do, but that is one of your choices. You can go to a mediator without anything being filed in court, and you can have that mediator, a disinterested third person, help the two of you resolve everything, enter into an agreement, and then your agreement can be presented to the court so that very little is being filed in the public record of the court. You can go to mediation with attorneys or without attorneys. You can have direct negotiations with your spouse or partner and resolve everything, write up an agreement. There are forms online. It'll save you a lot of money, but you may not know everything that needs to be done and you may not understand your rights and obligations, which an attorney should be able to help you with. Another choice, which is really my favorite and specialty, is the collaborative process. In the collaborative process, each of you will have your own attorney, most likely specially trained in the collaborative process. We use a disinterested third person, a facilitator, who usually has a mental health background to help the two of you get through the process and deal with children's issues. And when it's appropriate, we use a neutral financial professional, usually an accountant or financial planner, to help the two of you decide how you're going to deal with all the financial issues, the division of your assets and liabilities, and the payment of support. The collaborative process is private and confidential, and so very little winds up being filed in the public record of the courts. You meet privately. We have meetings that are scheduled for 2 hours at a time, and it's a peaceful process, it's a respectful process, and instead of the nightmares you may have heard about in litigation of attorneys going after each other, that doesn't happen in the collaborative process because the professionals work together. We're focused on helping the two of you determine what your future is going to be, and it's not limited by statutes and rules. You can be as creative as you want to be, and the professionals are there to help you be creative. And we don't tell you what you have to do. We help you identify issues, identify ways to resolve those issues, and determine what resolution. We help you determine what resolution is in your best interest and the best interest of your family. Divorce without court means that you have made, in my opinion, a mature, respectful decision that you're going to resolve your differences outside of court and determine your own destiny. Why someone would empower a stranger to determine how they and their children are going to live, which is what happens in litigation, is beyond me. Nobody knows your family better than the two of you. So why shouldn't the two of you decide what's best for your family, especially your children? Experts can be hired in court in contested litigation, but still the parents are going to know the children the best, and they should know what's in their best interest. So divorce without going to court means to me that the clients have made, in my opinion, the right decision. If this was beneficial to you, please feel free to reach out to me. Leave a comment. I'll be happy to review it and respond to you. And if you think there are other people who would benefit from this, please invite them to view this video. And I urge you to join this network because I'll be seeing you again in the future.